Hey everybody, it's Daniel here with University of Manitoba Recreation Services. I'm here in the Active Living Center. We just got a few new pieces of equipment. I want to highlight one of them. Today we're looking at the reverse hyperextension. So this is a really great machine to train the musculature of your hips, particularly your glutes and your hamstrings. An advantage of this machine is you can get really good hip training without any spinal compression. So for somebody that might have had a back injury or compression intolerance, such as when you're doing like a squat and a deadlift, if that's maybe irritating your back, perhaps this could be a suitable alternative. Also, if we kind of look at the movement itself, we're gonna get peak stress on the muscle or peak torque on the muscle right at the end or the last few degrees of hip extension, as opposed to a deadlift where when I'm pulling the bar off the floor, this is gonna be the point of max torque on those hips, right? So we're kind of hitting complementary areas of the muscle, right? If I did my deadlifts and then finished off with this, then it's a pretty well-rounded glute training session. Just a quick tip for setup here. You can adjust the distance of the handles. So I'm pretty short, so I got these guys moved in pretty close, but really simple to just move that back and forth if you need to, okay? We do have the option to add a little bit of weight here with these plates. Now, even with just the weight of the machine itself, that's quite a bit. It's a really long lever arm when it's right at the end of your ankle. So you don't really need a ton of weight. You definitely don't want to be sacrificing the quality of your movement for the quantity of weight that you're doing, okay? So just start off nice and light, make sure that you got your form proper, and then build it up from there as you can tolerate it. I'm gonna start off by putting one ankle in through this strap here. We got little platforms on either side. So you're gonna put your other foot up there, grab a hold of the handles, slide your other foot in, and then from here, I got my hip crease right at the edge of the bench. I wanna make sure that I'm going into full hip extension, so legs should be in line with the back, okay, or your torso. I don't wanna be arching my back too much. I should feel a really good squeeze from my hips. Try to hold that maybe for just a brief moment to really feel those muscles doing their thing, and lowering it with control, okay? So I'm not really swinging around, I'm not letting my back arch too much, right? I'm just going for full hip extension, not back extension. That's a common theme when we're doing a lot of glute work. So anyways, next time you're working out, doing the lower half, try this thing out, get a nice little booty boost. Have fun.